the JLab Epic Air Elite versus Jaybird Run XT. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, I will be comparing two earbuds that are made for working out, running, or athletes. I will go over some brief specs and give my final thoughts. I have done a complete unboxing and gone over the features for each one in my previous videos. I have the link in the description below for those videos and towards the end as well. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. On the left side we have the JLab Epic Air Elite, and on the right is the Jaybird Run XT. Both earbuds are new versions of their previous models with upgraded features. The JLab Epic Air has 6 hours of listening time, 32 additional hours with the case. Charge time is 2 hours for the earbuds and 4 hours for the case to fully charge. Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, and it has 3 EQ settings. It also has the Be Aware audio feature, and it's IP55 sweat resistant. The Jaybirds have 4 hours listening time, 8 additional hours with the case, 2 hours for the earbuds, and 3 hours for the case to fully charge. It uses Bluetooth 4.1. It has button controls and an app, and it's IPX7 sweat and waterproof. So spec-wise, the JLab has an edge on battery life, Bluetooth connectivity, and the Be Aware feature, which allows you to hear external noises such as conversations and cars. The controls can be a preference since some prefer buttons over the touch control. The Jaybird Run XT has an edge on the IP rating. The JLab case is definitely bigger in size. It is made of plastic and has a matte finish all around that provides a good grip. The top has the battery charge indicator. And wrapped around it is a convenient charging cable. It has a charging port on the front and also a charge out port to charge other devices with its 2600 milliamp capacity. The Jaybird has a hard plastic shell case and a compact design. The front, you have the LED charge indicator along with the button to open the lid. And on the back is the charging port. And here is a side-by-side comparison between the two cases. The JLab lid is easy to open, but feels a little flimsy, and it doesn't stay in a locked position. The Jaybird case, on the other hand, stays in a locked position, and it feels solid. Design-wise, the two are a bit different. The JLab's utilizes silicone ear hooks, making the form factor a bit larger. It also has interchangeable ear tips and touch controls on the side. The Jaybirds have interchangeable ear tips along with the fins for proper sizing and fit. Controls are accessed by pressing the button on each of the earbuds. And here you have a closer look at the earbuds side by side. Fairly similar in size with the exception of the ear hook design for the JLabs. Size-wise, the JLab case comes in at 4.4 inches by 2.8 by 1.4 inches. The Jaybirds come in at 3 by 1.6 by 1.5 inches. Weight-wise, the JLab case is 152 grams. And the Jaybirds are 55 grams. The JLab earbuds are 20 grams. And the Jaybirds are 15 grams. So here are my final thoughts, and this can be subjective, as everyone has different tastes when it comes to sound signatures. And everyone's ears are different, so fit can be subjective as well. For comfort, I will have to give it to the JLabs. The ear hooks for me gave a nice fit, and it didn't feel like the earbuds were pushing into my ears. On the other hand, the Jaybirds were uncomfortable after long periods of time, and when using the buttons for controls, it feels like the earbuds would push into your ears more. Build quality and design goes to the Jaybirds. The charging case felt solid, and it's a lot smaller, due to the fact that the battery capacity is also smaller. Sound, I will have to say JLabs. JLab has the 3 EQ settings, and the Jaybirds has the app for EQ and customization as well. I feel that the lows were good on both of them. It provided enough bass. Mids and highs were also good. Very clear and not muddy at all. I didn't experience any distortion. But for me, the sounds on the JLabs were better, along with the simplicity of the EQ settings. Call quality was decent for both. You're not buying these based on call quality. These are meant for listening to music. So my pick between the two would have to be the JLab's Epic Air Elite. The Be Aware audio is a definite plus, which allows you to hear external noises and conversations. It has easy controls and EQ settings. The long battery life, charge out feature, Bluetooth 5.0, and the convenience of having a charging cable makes this a good all-around earbud for the active lifestyles. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.